Good evening, boys and ghouls. I have terrible news that this video here was not uploaded. I'm sorry. I was uploading dubbing over Flying Witch for AI, but it kept on blocking worldwide. I don't know why my dubbing over Flying Witch video blocked worldwide, because my clip is no longer working. I've done all I could get the video called Dubbing Over Flying Witch to air on YouTube, but I couldn't. So there's a guide for watching my video that I've uploaded from today. And for that download guide on Google, it can let you watch an anime video in the Google Drive archive. But for this one that I've uploaded is no longer switched to Dorama. It's a line-out conversation upload from top to bottom. And you know, playing the dubbing. Because right now, you're watching my anime upload tutorial again for dubbing over Flying Witch's guide in the description. Just to feel free downloading, as likely for a raw hack. So you might need to look at some plain Flying Witch videos around YouTube. And for that, we'll include my tutorial conversation talking about Resolonium After Dark podcast coming back. So I will see you on the next extreme uploads on YouTube during my season. On John Richard Wasilowski, who's more likely Shock44, saying thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Mushroom One, because this is my username with friends where the fun never ends. That's right, I'm Shock44 at a non-stop fun YouTube uploader. Until then, I'll see you again. Good night, everyone.